anything you cross, that is your selection. If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have Encore. You can see here, play Encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add Encore with that. So this is Lotto Max, what you see here. And there are few ways you can get this Lotto Max ticket. Before that, you have to be 18 years and above. And this draw happens every Tuesday and Friday. So I'll go into the draw detail. I'll show that on the computer screen. Now, you can go to the retail store and pick this form. You see quick pick. If you cross this quick pick, I'm showing like this. So anything you cross, that is your selection. So right now I have made the quick pick as the selection, and I will give this to the retail person. So the retail person knows that I have not opted for any particular number. So I will get 7 numbers from this 1 to 50, which will be random chosen by computer. And along with that, there will be 2 additional set. So to explain, I don't have Lotto Max. This is Lotto 649. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are 6 numbers. And in Lotto Max, it will be 7 numbers. So this will be computer generated when I do quick pick. And additionally, there will be 2 other set of 7 numbers, which again will be computer generated. So this is 1. And here you see Encore. It shows Encore played. So what is Encore? This is Encore. I'll come to this little later. Now, if you don't do a quick pick and you want to pick your own number, so you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5 different tickets. 1 ticket, $5, 2 ticket, that becomes 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5. Okay, so if you pick 5 different tickets, you pay $25 into. You can pick 1 ticket or more than. So if you are choosing your number, so you have this 1 to 50, in this you go and do this. You go and pick your 7 number, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when you give this to a retail person, the person would give you 1 ticket, which will cost you $5, and this is the number what you will get. So this you won't have when you're picking your. So you cannot do this, what I'm doing. In case you made a mistake, you just do void, and the retail person will ignore this entire ticket, what you have made. So this is $5. Now in Encore, you have this number 1 to 10. Whatever number you choose, that many play you get in Encore. Again, I'll show that in screen in a while. So if you pick 1, you pay $1. If you pick 4, you pay $4. So here in this ticket, you see this Encore number, what is mentioned here. This is computer generated. You don't get to choose this. You just pay $1 extra for 1 Encore, and you will get a random computer generated. So again, that detail I'll show you on the screen. So in case you go for 2 tickets, you will fill up this 7 number of your choice. So $5 plus $5, $10. And then if you say pick 2 Encore, it will become $12. Now, the number what you have chosen, say it is very dear to you, and you want to retain this number for coming weeks. So you can play up to 26 weeks. So you see here, every 2 draw happens per week. If you choose 2 weeks, so whatever you have chosen, you multiply that by 2, whatever the amount. So the retail person will tell you the amount to be. If you pick 10, you multiply that by 10. So it is in a way, it makes it easy for you that you pick the number once and you remain with that number for remaining week, whatever you choose. So this is Lotto Max. What you see here is Lotto Max combo. Again, just pick up this from the retail counter, and here you see it says 8 numbers $40, 9 numbers 180. So this Lotto Max and Lotto Max combo both play for the same amount. There is no difference. It is Lotto Max. It's just that here you are creating more probability for you to win. In this selection, you're choosing 7 number. By going for this play, you get to pick either 8 or 9. If you pick 8 numbers, okay, it costs $40 and you will select 8 number from this box 1 to 50. Like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So whatever you make a selection, you will get ticket accordingly from the retailer. Now if you pick 9 numbers, then you pay $180 per draw, $180. So you'll have to check this box. In that case, you have to check either of this, and then if it is 9, then you pick 9 numbers. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this 9 number, this is what I have picked. So this is the combination I will have. So when you pick this 8 number, right, you are playing 24-7 number combination. And when you go for 9 numbers, you are playing 108 7 number combination. So don't break your head. Those who play like this, they are increasing the probability of winning. Whether they are winning or not, that's a different thing. But some people who go to play, they sometimes pick this number because you are increasing your chances of winning. Encore, whatever you make a selection, if you select 1, you pay $1. If you select 4, you get $4. So I had earlier explained for Lotto Max. For the Lotto Max combo, if you pick 8 numbers, this is Lotto 649. I'm using to explain this. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have a 6 number here. Instead of 6, you will have 8 number. And then if you pick 9, it will have 9 number. And then remaining will be computer generated. So the combination, which will make 24 or 108. When you calculate that, if you ever do that, you will be able to see. So that's how it is. And for every encore selection you make, if you select 3, then you pay $3. So for example, you have selected 8 number here, you fill the 8 number, this will cost you 40. And here if you have selected 2, you pay additional 2. So it becomes 42. Now you want to retain this number as it is and play for remaining weeks. So like I had explained in Lotto Max, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you pick 10 week, so this number, what you have picked will remain as it is for next 10 week of play, which is an advanced play. So when you do that, whatever the amount of this ticket is, you multiply that by 10. So you would be paying that much money. So I'll just give you an example. $40 plus 2 you have picked for Encore, 42 into 10. So 420 you will pay in case you go for picking 10 weeks. This is how Lotto Max and Lotto Max combo works. This is how the ticket for 649 will look. Whatever amount you paid, that will show up, date, then it will have the 6 number. If it is quick pick, it will show quick pick. I just asked the retail to generate a random number. So that was given. In case you pick the number, then again that will show up. Golden ball draw, I explained, it will be computer generated, and Encore again will be computer generated. So remember to do a signature here. Always have a receipt from where you buy the ticket. In case you forget where you bought the ticket, you will not get your lottery winning. So it's always a good practice to keep the invoice with. So this is the winning number for Lotto Max on November 8. That was the last held draw. And these are the numbers. So if your ticket matches with this number, you are the winner. And you can see also the bonus number which is given here. So Lotto Max, remember, it had 7 pick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's how this is. Then Encore number, this is the Encore number which has won the maximum amount. And then you also have Max Million draw. So you can see cash winners, these many people have won. Nobody got 7x7 match, the number what we saw earlier. Then 6 number matching out of 7, and bonus, this is the winning amount 2 of them got. Likewise, all others have been mentioned here. These were the numbers for Max Million. So nobody got it. That means nobody had a match. Otherwise, they would have got this amount. So this is the Encore number you see. Here it shows the matches. So any exact number match would get that amount. Only one winner. Where there is no winner, it shows like this. And then the entire details of winner. So if anyone had this match, 04198, they would get $500. So 12 of them have won. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on WhatsApp. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2 more. Again, likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.